Alrighty, Geometriform, this is Scoobs with Project Nightmare. Boy, what a nightmare. Anyway, my fuel pump went out on it yesterday. I had it towed up here to the shop, so got the gas tank out of blue sitting there with a brand new fuel pump in it. And I just jacked up Nightmare here and got to looking at my wheel bearing. I don't think it's that bad. It might run for a while. Yeah, right. I don't know why it moves in and out like that, but I'm gonna have to fix that as well today. So, more updates later on.